should take this matter up seriously. I have not paid attention to Nsema Kasia, Member of Parliament, intro. Now, one man is a Kwenyan Kwasun on press conference. Hey, oh, yeah, Kushini Papa. This is a very serious matter. Very, very serious matter. That to that extent. And you are still a member of parliament. And the police is looking on. No. Debbie. It can't be possible. How? And you ma kasia wakiken. Mama fa manyo semuntunche debi amekachire Ghana fool. The rate at which we are abnormal things are normal in this country. You can't believe it. For political power, for political gains, for a certain interest that does not inure to the bigger picture about affecting the positively. Now, you don't even know shame. What's about a press conference? When you kukudro, kasa. Listen to the Okakao.
To the Honorable Minister of Interior and National Security. I have remained quiet despite calls by well-meaning Ghanaians, including my constituents, who witnessed these brutal attacks. At no time did I say no attack happened. I stated emphatically to the task force that on election day during my rounds, I noticed my convoy was being followed by a V8 vehicle, allegedly known to be used by Howard Compson and a Nadmo pickup, which had a green government number plate. After visiting some polling stations, I decided to go home because I felt my life was in danger. So I am convinced that at the conclusion of this investigation, the truer facts will emerge. On the issue of unwillingness of persons who witnessed these acts to testify, this is entirely out of my control. There are videos to some of these attacks, and these are available for the committee to aid their work.
Madam, I don't even know who advised you to come and do this press conference. Go back and play. Whether Okase, na Oniho, Anana, Onambebi, and Oye, alleged. Go back and play what the interviews he held with my good brother, Captain Smart, and then the other people. Just play what she said. Now, Wasenya, Akukudro, Abetina, Yen Ghana Parliament, please, Mamunya sa. I am expecting that at this point, sebi. Can we pose for crama? We are saying we now crowd chop every Ghana fakopa. Look at what she's saying this morning. Go back. Now let's say press conference no okano. Any asemo kan bra ye to abane say emwa bra. Bompa ye mo my Ghana.
Etuo ne kaya no. Me official mahindra na me use no. Party kano. Eno na me timu bi no.
Etuo ni kayen no. Etuo no e kayen no. Wo official car na use no party car no Mahindra no. Etuo ni kayen no. And then we'll come back to press conference as well kayen. Yentie.
Etuo ni kayen no. Me official Mahindra na me use no party car no. Eno na me timu bi no. Eno so ana etuo no e kayen.
Enti one more etuo ni kan wo na one more ete car na chi no mo te front na hefa no mo
no mo te echi. No mo te me car na echi.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? And you come and do a press conference to talk something totally different from what you have said earlier on. Hey, now mommy, 1 2 24 say. How? And that's why sometimes we are tempted to believe that selectivity in terms of the justice system in this country is very, very nauseating. Honestly. Because you lie through like that, and you come back and you are bold, having a press conference and stating otherwise. Young Kasa Ghana Interior Minister, Sabi, Ufisa on Ufitia or Teda Sabrano Man Kraswana. You are comfortable to come and hold this press conference and to come and lie again? And you are still there, representing people's interests. Now, dear Koryoo, we are. What can you give to the people of Utusenya? Tiwa wonu musem.
Etuone kaya no. Me official mahindra na me yusu no. Party ka no. Eno na me timu bi no. Eno so ana etuo no ekaya.
Enti wo mo etuone ka wo mo na wo mo ete ka na chi no mo te front na hefa no mo
wo ti echi. No mo te me ka na echi. Ene etuone ka mo.
Ka na chi say echi a enye say echira a obi a ehu but ka na chi a yatum.
I ka na echi pick up say pick up mahindra pick up. It's almost a ka na echi.
Ene na wo te hefa.
Efia, see me question you ne busa na mame. Cars na ye dodo sen ba kon. And on one won't be them ranting and wetchery. And I said, Cast and I do saying,
can I hear me? No,
that's right.
Yeah,
the idea you want the idea training na to kind.
The idea train.
Eti Kano Land Cruiser Black no a crossing wood and I said a share montem.
A buy the mechanic no must start some on fire.
Who can I said you do can no?
There be me a mechano.
Okay.
Me a mechano.
Patrona when I will drive it.
Patro Debbie.
Okay.
Now me drive and I make Chicano.
All right. Who can I yes send an team?
Now yeah 6 and I take on him.
Okay. Na Pacho what 2 gunshots not to bed do be say.
Yet say 2 to be 3.
Do be 3. Okay.
Yeah.
Eti womo tutu tu odwie no womo di bochi be sam ho koya na so womo dane womo ho.
Patro mo dane womo ho koye.
All right. Ekuya den into aso.
Okay, eti honorable saying anamo be na putu asat enumre ya we say apostle.
Ya fra police farmer. Omo aba say. Ama ya kasa. What is no?
No, she was not.
Omo befa. Echo. Na ya kekra. Police for escort me.
Now, body's number 5 anyway. You know, body's number 5 anyway. Really? I see. Bompaye mo my Ghana. Imu amanyo semfo, imu sentrofo. Any wana editro edi juma bompaye mai.
Mate.
Miti umpai bono Ghana iti.
Minyan kupone mabankese. Nyame a wuye nyame. Dani na weni won kumaso. Me da wase. For vindication a wodi amame. Na me tina sa vindication so erade. Asra wo say. Politicians. Media for and I say journalists for. On my Ghana, I am true. Any idea in your ma? Erade me pipe on the sakra womo. Erade for akumapa. Any antrimpa. Esha woni na achiri. And true politician and I say journalist be. Ebecha betu obi edi ni be kon social mu erade peguma yen.
Ami.
Erade yem pipe on say ma Ghana emfa ne ntuma panhira. Erade my agin sakra.
Agin sakra.
Say sakra ya agin etri boni ni try won ehia. Yenim say Ghana ebefa ne ntuma panhira. Erade ma amenyofo nyina emfa no kredie. Emfa nye adwuma. Emfa hye we erade no munyam. Me da wase. Say we tie ya no pay. Me kwasora de ubo ni no so hye wonsa. Omo de no kre eye adwuma. Erade
where I catch a girl for club. Girl be nice, nice girl.